Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few dishes embody comfort like cottage pie. With its rich minced meat filling and golden mashed potato topping, this British and Irish classic has warmed kitchens for centuries. Originally a clever way to stretch leftover meat, it's now a beloved staple for its simplicity and heartiness. What makes it stand out? Versatility. Swap beef for lamb, hello, shepherd's pie, add veggies, or tweak the seasoning, it's forgiving and adaptable. Whether it's a weeknight dinner, or a cozy weekend meal, cottage pie never fails to satisfy. Let's break down how to make yours unforgettable. The history of cottage pie. Cottage pie didn't start as a fancy dish. It was a practical solution for frugal home cooks in 18th century Britain. Families needed to stretch every bit of meat, and this dish turned leftovers into something hearty and delicious. Over time, it became a comfort food classic, loved for its simplicity and warmth. The difference between cottage pie and shepherd's pie. People often mix up cottage pie and shepherd's pie, but the key difference lies in the meat. Cottage pie uses beef, while shepherd's pie uses lamb. The name shepherd's pie hints at its connection to sheep, lamb, whereas cottage pie comes from the modest cottages where beef was more common. Regional twists exist too. In Ireland, you might find both versions topped with a mix of mashed potatoes and cheese. Some recipes add Worcestershire sauce or herbs like thyme for extra flavor. Despite the confusion, both pies share the same cozy appeal, a creamy potato layer over a rich, meaty filling. Evolution over the centuries. Early cottage pies were simple, leftover meat, gravy, and whatever root vegetables were on hand. Mashed potatoes became the standard topping later, thanks to their affordability and ease. Today's versions experiment with ingredients. Vegetarian swaps, lentils or mushrooms instead of meat. Sweet potato or parsnip mash for a twist. Global flavors, like adding curry powder or smoked paprika. Some chefs even layer vegetables into the mash for extra texture. Whether traditional or modern, cottage pie stays true to its roots. A dish that brings comfort to the table. Essential ingredients for the perfect cottage pie. The magic of cottage pie lies in its humble ingredients. Each component plays a key role, from the savory meat filling to the creamy potato topping. Choosing the right ingredients ensures depth of flavor and the perfect texture. Here's what you need to get it right. The best meat for cottage pie. Ground beef is the classic choice, but not all cuts are equal. Look for an 80-20 lean to fat ratio, for example, chuck or sirloin for juiciness without greasiness. Avoid overly lean meat, it dries out during baking. Alternatives for different diets include ground lamb for a shepherd's pie twist, ground turkey or chicken for a lighter version, lentils or mushrooms for plant-based fillings cooked with soy sauce or miso for umami depth. Choosing the right potatoes. The topping should be creamy, fluffy, and hold its shape. Best picks are russet potatoes, which have a high starch content, making them light and fluffy when mashed. Yukon Golds have a creamier texture and buttery flavor, perfect for a richer topping. For the best results, boil potatoes until fork tender, then drain well to avoid watery mash. Mash while hot with butter and warm milk or cream for extra smoothness. Season generously with salt, potatoes need it more than you think. Flavor enhancers, herbs and spices. Cottage pie thrives on layers of flavor. Don't skip these. Thyme and rosemary are earthy and aromatic, pairing perfectly with beef. Worcestershire sauce adds depth and a touch of tang. Tomato paste caramelizes with the meat for richness. Bay leaves simmer in the filling and are removed before baking. For a twist, try smoked paprika, a dash of red wine, or a pinch of mustard powder. The goal is a filling so flavorful, you'll want to eat it straight from the pan. Step-by-step cooking guide. Now that you've got your ingredients ready, let's turn them into the ultimate cottage pie. This step-by-step guide covers everything from a deeply flavored meat filling to a golden, creamy potato topping. Follow these techniques, and you'll have a pie that's both comforting and impressive. Preparing the meat filling. Start with the foundation, the meat filling. This is where flavor builds, so take your time. Brown the meat properly. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat. Add your ground beef, or alternative, in batches to avoid steaming. Let it sear until deeply browned, breaking it up just enough to keep some texture. Agera the onions. Remove the meat, then cook diced onions in the same pan. Stir occasionally until they turn golden and sweet, about 8 minutes. This step adds sweetness and depth. Deglaze for extra flavor. Pour in a splash of red wine, broth, or even water to scrape up the browned bits stuck to the pan. These bits are packed with flavor. Simmer with aromatics. Return the meat to the pan. Add minced garlic, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, and herbs like thyme or rosemary. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the juices thicken slightly. Season with salt and pepper, taste as you go. If the filling looks dry, add a splash of beef stock. It should be moist but not runny. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.